get to our website, you're going to notice that you have a pop-up. If you don't have a pop-up, it might be because you've been there more recently and it's not asking you again. So what you want to do is you want to select your catalog. I'm going to select in-store pickup. What that does is it loads a catalog that's specific for in-store pickup. It's not the same items that are available for delivery. And you can freely shop from there. So we'll check out the chairs. And the reason why it says view product down here rather than just letting you add items to your cart is because a lot of times there's videos and photos and more additional details on the product that we would love for you to read about before you select it. So this is giving you a video, and here is a description, full description, so you can decide, is this the right product for me? And once you decide, yes, I like the look of this product, you can put in as many items as you want. We do have a limit on in-store pickup. It has to be stuff you can pick up with a car. We're not expecting you to pull up with a moving truck or van. That is reserved for delivery only. 99% of what we do is delivery. That's what our service is. We're a delivery service. But we do allow small orders by pickup. So now you'll see up here it says 15 because I just added 15 of these chairs to the cart. There's a little cart up here. Now let's say I decided like, oh, I don't really actually want to use in-store pickup. I want to get it by delivery. All you have to do is click on delivery and quote request. This is going to tell you that you're going to change modes, which is important because now you'll notice once it changes that there's nothing in your cart. So, like I said, the items are actually different items. So these items now are from a different catalog, and they're items that we use for delivery. They're maintained differently and they're just different products. So what you want to do is then add your 15 chairs to the delivery catalog. One thing you'll notice if you're perusing this site is that all items are available by delivery, but only a few items are available for self-pickup. Again, we're geared towards delivery and not self-pickup. So we do have some items if you're a regular customer or not even maybe a regular customer, but you just need like 10 chairs. This is in-store pickup's perfect for you. But most of the work that we do needs more care and attention, and it's by delivery. So we'll say right here, we'll click on this cart. I have the 15 chairs, and now I can either look at my list. So here's my list. It tells me delivery starts at $3.99 and there's a handling fee on in-store pickup. I can share the cart with a friend if I don't want to go through the checkout yet. Like maybe I have many items in here and I want somebody else to check it out, make sure I got all the right stuff. You can just click on this and it'll make a link for you that you can share. Or if you're ready and you make the decisions yourself, you can go ahead and say, quote me. What this does is it'll take you to a checkout process, and you'll just need to fill this out. Now, if you already have an account, the best thing to always do when you get to our website is to log in because it's going to remember you and all your details. And so we'll do that now. I have a dummy account, so we'll just log in and see what's going on there. And so on this account, you can actually look at all your details. You can look at all of your past orders. There's lots of things you can do if you have an account. They're all things that you self-manage. We don't go in here. We actually use a different software for our business, but this software is good for this kind of stuff. So if you look at your addresses, you'll see that you can put in many addresses here. You can say what's your default. You can also go to save carts. If you had made a cart previously and you wanted to use that cart again, you can view it, you can edit the list. You just have to kind of remember what you had done previously so that it's here. And if you had gotten a quote before, then you'll be able to download your quotes. And if you had gotten bookings, you'll be able to download your bookings. And if you ever made a payment, it'll show your payments and signed agreements. So this is your account page. This is where you have access to all the information that we have access to on our site. And that's it. That's how you get a quote from Just for Fun Party Rentals.